In front of me is Amazon Fire HD 8 Kids Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can switch on or off location of this device. Firstly, go into Settings and scroll down. Then click on Security and Privacy. Following that, scroll down again, click on Location-Based Services, and tap on this switcher next to Location-Based Services. As you can see, my switcher is gray. That means that location is disabled, but you can always enable it by tapping on the same one again. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!